If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. This is exactly what we were wanting to see in the last update. We were asking for, after confirming this as support, for a break above the 200 moving average. And as you can see here, this is the path that we drew. We have rejected it, but we've come down from here, confirmed its support with the next candle, and now seeing that follow through. So the next step would be confirming it as support, just as we see to the left over here. And this would show that we've actually changed the trend from a downtrend, which we've been in for over a year since the FTX capitulation. In fact, the month before, that was where I was able to tell you guys, sell Quant. That was where I personally sold at $230 quite a while back now. And so we've been in a downtrend ever since. FTX just, further confirming the downtrend. And we follow the 200 moving average on the daily time frame. We can see the on multiple separate occasions where we run into it as a resistance and eventually continue lower. So there was the risk of that happening even with the breakout over here, as we explained. We need to follow this path exactly, which we're starting to see. If we don't get the close above this today, I've already made an update on my Twitter. I made loads of updates today and yesterday on Twitter, so make sure you're following me over there, guys. I've only got 2,000 followers over there. Let's get that to 2.5k as quick as we can. 3k, of course, would be great. But let's now see more of you heading over to Twitter. That's where I post as well immediately after the video actually comes out. The same moment that the video comes out, I post it over there. So if you turn on your notification bell over on Twitter, that would be great. You'll catch every single update from me. That's all time sensitive as well. So now that we've broken above this, it's important to close a daily candle above $102, as if we fall back underneath and we close below, there is one last opportunity to bounce off of either the 20. That would be the first chance. Come down to here is your last chance opportunity. Just need to hold above this wick, which is about the $95 area. We could come down as low as that and we'd still be given another chance to break out, although let's now see it today rather than closing below and then having a potential risk of creating the reversal wave, retracing back down to this low and possibly losing that unless some bullish signals flash, like a bullish divergence or a bullish reversal pattern like a W or inverse head and shoulders, or even maybe a falling wedge over here. If we actually lose this support, then there are targets to the downside between $78 and $70. Some nice confluence on the 75 being that range low of this current range over here that we've been trapped in for over a year now, since July of last year. That's the lowest support since then. So if we were to dump, that's where we would need to really catch support, maybe a wick down, but hold its support and then have to reclaim this level. But none of this has to happen. Again, we just need to follow the criteria at the moment, which I left you guys off with in the last video update, which was after holding this support, get rejected here, as we can see from the 200 EMA on the daily, where we topped out over here. The next candle's low was there, so we saw the movement we've been talking about. Now can we just confirm it as support and continue higher to 115, 130, then 150 is the biggest brick wall that we need to face. All right, everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and if you want to get educated, listen to this. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.